Hey, it's American Ozzy. He's like a game of Yahtzee. He sounds more like Fozzie. No, he's not a Nazi. He's American Ozzy. Hey, it's American Ozzy. He's like a very own Potsy. He is hotsy totsy. No, he's not a Nazi. He's American Ozzy. He's American Ozzy. He's American Ozzy.
And that's me. What you got there, Oz? Well, you said it was American dinner for American Ozzy over here. What the fuck is this? What the hell? What the hell is this? Fuck it, is this how corn looks? I thought it comes in a can. That's corn. How the fuck you eat this? Holy shit, look at it. It fucking got hairs on it now. I don't think you eat the hair. Look at this shit. What the hell? What is this? Holy shit, flour. How the fuck you eat this? You're touching the flour. Oh, what do you want to Is this edible? Flour? What do you like better? Oh, you can fucking eat that like shit. It tastes like shit. What the hell is it? You like the taste of that? How you break this off? There you go. Fucking joke me like. Corn dog! That's a corn dog! I don't think I can eat it. I can't swallow. Is that a corn dog? Hair on there, watch out! There's no meat in there. Is it a corn dog? Yellow hair, watch out! What we do? Look at this. It's a work of art.
He's American Ozzy.